Good evening, everyone. Please confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not, and then we'll start off with our marathon class. So, today we are starting off with the practice series again because students are finding it very, very important. So, we are starting off with question series on Botany Insider all in over again. We have already conducted more than 40 classes on our YouTube channel, completely free of cost, every day 8 p.m. So, if you wish, you can look into the complete marathon series and get all the questions completed, right? So let's begin with our class now. Before starting, if you're new to our Botany Insider family, please make sure that you download the application, hit the subscribe button. Also, it is available both on the Android, iOS, so download the application. Also, we have our own website, so if you wish, you can just type down botanyinsider.com on our on the Google, and you'll be able to get through the complete website for the same, right? Then we have a number of courses running for you all, and if you're targeting the June 2023 examination, so we have a crash course running early morning every day, 8:30 a.m. we have a class for revising the concepts in a very structured manner, right? In addition to that, we are also starting off with a new course very soon on Botany Insider applications, which is related to the complete practice session. Okay, so on YouTube channel we are having few questions discussed, but if you wish to have questions discussed in a very structured manner, so we are starting off with a practice session course at very minimal prices on Botany Insider application. You can download the app and you'll get the information very soon for the same. So we are planning to start the session from 1st of April 2023. It would be a 30-day complete practice course in which we'll be discussing questions, in which we'll be understanding how to solve questions, what should be your target, what should be your approach towards solving out the questions. Okay, so download the application and it will be the course would be uploaded very soon, in a day or two. Wait for it. You can download the app and get yourself enrolled in the same, right? So let's start off with the questions now. This is the very first question for you all. Good evening, Meghna. Question is, which of the following statement is not correct? So the question is related to the types of biodiversity. Okay, first question is, both alpha and gamma diversities measures what? It measures the presence of abundance and presence of the species in a community. Gamma diversity can be expressed as a product of alpha and beta diversities. Gamma diversity is the sum of alpha diversities for a set of sites. Gamma diversity can be expressed as a sum of alpha and beta across the sites. So give it a try to this question, then we'll solve it out together. Alishba, what do you mean by about genetics? Would you like to get to know about the course of genetics or what? Just please specify in the chat section so that I can solve out your problem. Get the answer for this question now, everyone. It's very simple. If you have understood this concept, you'll be able to solve the answer. And because many students face this problem of practicing out the questions properly, for that course itself we are starting off, or for solving out this problem, we are starting off with a practice course for you all. Live classes would be there every day. We'll try to cover up 15 to 20 questions depending upon the timing. So, and it would be available in very affordable prices. So if you wish, you can start enrolling from it. From in a day or two, I'll launch the course. Okay, quickly get the answer for this question, everyone. Done everyone? Please mark the answers in the chat section. Yes. Done? D, okay. You need to find the incorrect answer, okay? Okay, let's give it a try to this particular question now. So the answer for this particular question is option number C. Now see, over here you have to remember one thing, that whenever a question is given to you in the examination, you need to mark the most appropriate answer. Okay, because sometimes you might find that two of the options are incorrect, but out of those two you need to make sure that you are marking down the answer according to the best of the understanding. So the question is, you need to find incorrect statement. There are three biodiversities possible. First we have alpha, then we have beta, then we have gamma. What is the meaning of each one of them? Alpha diversity refers to, let's say this is a region, and in this region there are various patches of communities present. So let's say this community A, community B, community C. If you want to analyze the community of the diversity of a specific community, you call it alpha. If you want to compare the two, you call it beta. And if you want to take in consideration the complete biodiversity of a specific region, we call it gamma. Okay, so alpha is of a specific region. Alpha is specific region, beta is between the two, gamma is the overall one. So alpha and gamma diversities measures the presence of abundance of a community. Very correct. Gamma is expressed as a product of beta and alpha across. Very correct. Gamma is the sum of alpha. This is absolutely incorrect. Why? Because it is not the sum of only alpha, it is the alpha and beta clubbed together. So C option is incorrect. Gamma can be expressed as sum of alpha and beta. This is more correct as compared to the C option, right? If you read the three statements, option number C according to our understanding is absolutely incorrect in relation to the other ones, right? So answer for this question is option number C, that is gamma is not the sum of only alpha diversities. Over here alpha and beta both are taken into consideration. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Please let me know in the chat sections, and then we'll proceed further. And it's a very very important concept. Time and again question get framed from these type of pointers. Okay, clear everyone? Right, let's move on to the next question now. This is the next question for you all. The question is, which of the following best describes the ability of the cells to respond to a specific inducing signal? You need to find out which of the following it would be best describing the ability of the cell to respond to a specific inducing signal. Okay, 4 options in front of you. Get the answer for this particular question. C, very good, very good, very good. Let's check the answer for this question. Yes, so the answer for this question is option number C. Excellent, all of you got the answer correct. So which of the following best describes the ability of a cell to respond to a specific signal? It is called as competence. So answer for this is option number C. Very good, all of you got the answer correct. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is the next question for you all. Factual question. The black buck has been traditionally protected by which of the following communities? 4 options in front of you. Get the answer for this question now. Simple question, factual question. Get the answer, then we'll solve it out accordingly. C, okay. Everyone mark the answers quickly. Okay, let's check. Yes, the answer for this particular question is option number C itself, that is Bisnois. So this is a factual question which you need to remember, which you need to keep in mind. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. This question is again a factual question. Question is related to the pericytes are found in which of the following? Get the answer for this particular question now. First option is myelin sheath. Then you have surrounding coat of the skeletal muscle fiber. Third option is blood capillary wall. Fourth option is lymph capillary wall. Get the answer for this question. Done, everyone? let's check. Yes, the answer for this particular question is option number C, that is blood capillary wall. So the pericytes are found in the blood capillary wall. Remember this factual statement. Next question in front of you. Which of the following floral mutants shows the pattern of sepal petal petal repeated several times? So this is a question related to ABCE model of flower development. You need to find the answer for this. Take your time, get the answer for this particular question. And those of you who are there in the crash course, we discussed the same thing today in the class. So try to find the answer for this. Get the answer for this quickly. C, okay. Others also mark the answer. Everyone mark the answer quickly. Okay. So let's check the answer for this question. The answer for this particular question is option number A. Very good, Meghna. Very good. So see, the question is saying that the floral mutant is showing the pattern of sepal, petal, petal, repeated several times. So that means it is sepal, then petal, and then the same thing is getting repeated. That means the fourth wall is again a sepal. So when you have sepal, petal, petal, sepal, that means what? If you look into it in a normal condition, we have three classes: class A, class B, and class C gene. In class A, epitala 1, epitala 2, class B, epitala 3, pistillata, and class C is agamus, right? So sepal in normal condition is getting formed via class A gene. Petal is getting formed via A plus B. Stamen is getting formed via B plus C, and carpel is via class C. Now if you look here properly, sepal and petals are getting formed. That is, A and B class genes are working fine. It is asking that out of the four, which of them, like in which of the following there is a mutation, right? So class A and class B genes are working absolutely fine. That means epitala 1, epitala 2, epitala 3 and agamus, all of them are working fine. And pistillata, all these four are working fine. That means B, C and D can easily be eliminated. You have the class C gene which is not working properly, and class C have agamus in its category. So the answer for this is option number C. Very, very important question, very, very important topic. And if you look into the PYQs, these type of questions are repeated time and again. Okay. So Meghna, very good. You got the answer correct, and others, those who got the answer incorrect, I hope the concept is now clear to you, right? And for solving out this particular problem of the students itself, we are starting off with a practice question series, practice question course on our application from 1st of April. So those of you who wish to solve out, or those of you wish to learn to solve the questions, they can enroll in that particular course. It would be a very minimal price, do not worry about that. It's just during the last minute you need to practice a lot, so following the same we are starting off with a practice course. Okay, so I hope this question is clear, right? Sonam and Shweta, you got the answer incorrect. I hope the concept is clear to each one of you. If yes, we'll move forward to the last question of the day. Yes, done everyone? Right, let's move on to the next question. This is the next question for you all. The question is related to the electron transport chain. Question is asking that which of the following electron transport chain complex gets inhibited via antimycin A. Okay, get the answer for this. Which of the following gets inhibited by antimycin A? Quickly get the answer for this. Very simple factual question, straightforward question. Very good, very good. Everyone, all other students also mark the answers. Very good, very good. Let's check. Answer for this particular question is option number C. Very good. Those of you who's giving the answer as C, excellent. That means your factual knowledge is strong. Right? Answer is option number C. That is complex 3 gets inhibited by antimycin. And from this you can remember one thing, that inhibitor concept is very important and it gets time and again repeated in the examination. So please make sure that you are revising very nicely. Okay, we still have time. We can go for one more question. Get the answer for this particular question, everyone. Question is, individual chromosomes are clearly seen during which phase of the cell cycle? Get the answer for this question. Again, very important concept, cell cycle and its regulation. Time and again questions get framed from this particular area. Quickly mark the answer for this question, everyone. Mark the answer. It's very simple, straightforward question. If you have studied the the cell cycle properly, you'll be able to mark the answer. Khushi, M is not an option. Okay, M phase. Okay. Everyone, 15 students in the class. Very good strength. Everyone, mark the answers. C, D, C, D. Okay, let's check. Yes, the answer for this particular question is the mitotic, or the in the mitotic phase, the M phase, that is the metaphase, is the stage. It is the phase in the cell cycle where you can see individual chromosomes very clearly. Okay, answer is option number D. So only one student gave the answer incorrect, all other students gave the answer correct. Very good, excellent. So this was about for these questions, and following the same concept we are starting off with a practice question series on Botany Insider from 1st of April. The course would be launched very soon for you all, so if you wish you can enroll in that. And we also have a crash course running for you all for revising the concepts in a very structured manner. So those of you who wish to enroll in the crash course, you can enroll. The PYQ pointers would be provided to you in the hard copy format along with the course. Also, we have revision booklets available for the June 2023 for the complete course. If you wish, you can WhatsApp us on the number and get the information regarding the same in order to place your orders. Okay, so I hope the class was helpful for you all. Yes, we'll meet tomorrow, same timing, 8 o'clock. We'll discuss few other things in the free class. So those of you who wish, you can get yourself in this particular classes. And also we have a complete playlist available for you to get a number of questions practiced properly. Okay, bye everyone, take care. Welcome Mayank.